In this guide, we will demonstrate how to install and wire an ABB dual-function circuit interrupter with a pigtail. A dual-function circuit interrupter is designed to protect against electrical overloads, short circuits, ground faults, series arcs, and parallel arcs. ABB circuit breakers are UL tested and compatible with GE PowerMark Pro, ABB ReliaHome P-Series, and P-Series Plus load centers. Before starting, make sure you have the necessary tools shown here. First, unscrew the cover and put aside the mounting screws. Test for voltage. Move the dual-function circuit interrupter to the off position. Install the heel of the circuit breaker into the load center mounting rails and rotate the top part of the circuit breaker to connect with the bus bar. Connect the ground wire to the ground bus bar. Uncoil and connect the circuit breaker's white pigtail wire to the neutral bus terminal. You can shorten the circuit breaker pigtail wire as necessary. Use wire strippers to remove the insulation on the white neutral load wire and connect it to the load neutral terminal on the circuit breaker. Use wire strippers to remove the insulation on the black hot wire and connect it to the load power terminal. Make sure all connections are secure. Remove the circuit perforations from the cover if required, then reinstall the cover to the load center. Turn on power to the main circuit breaker. Turn on your newly installed circuit breaker and press the Push to Test button to confirm functionality.